Hi viewers, welcome to Sunita's Tasty Food. Today's this fried chicken masala, you're gonna love it because though pieces are big yet juicy inside. So to know this recipe without any further delay, let's get started. This refrigerated 1 kg chicken, soak them in salt water for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to make the cuts on both sides of the pieces so that the masala can easily penetrate into the pieces. Now let's mix our spices. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now mix all these dry ingredients together. Now sprinkle the masala on the chicken pieces little at a time, ensuring the masala is fully coated with the chicken. And if you feel it is too dry, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water so that all the pieces can easily coated with the flour. Now add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Rub the lemon juice on pieces and then marinate it for 2 hours. Earlier we soaked them in water for about 2 hours. Now with masala 2 hours, totally 4 hours makes the chicken tender and juicy. Now the marination time is up. Here I have taken 1 cup of oil in frying pan. To fry them these pieces, these are going to be shallow fried, not deep fried. So ensure the oil is heated properly by checking this wooden spatula. When it is touching the bottom, the bubbles are coming, then you are good to go. Now keep 2 pieces at a time and cook them on low to medium flame, covered with lid for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let us check how far they cooked. Oh, already they are looking so pretty in color. Now flip them other side. Cook other side as well for about 8 minutes with lid on. Let us check them again. Both the pieces are cooked at the other side as well. If you want, you can take them out from oil. Now consume it directly as it is. But I'm going to add extra flavors to enhance the taste of the piece. I'm going to use this oil only for tempering. Take a huge utensil to fit 4 leg pieces sufficiently. When the oil is heated, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. When they are sauteed, 1 finely chopped onion, then goes in 5 to 6 finely chopped. Now saute all these ingredients until they slightly wilted. Adding in few curry leaves to give the nice aroma. Now going in our chicken pieces. Now roll the chicken pieces into this garlic, green chili, curry leaves oil for a minute. Then goes in 50 ml of water and cook it with lid on for 2 minutes to soften the chicken pieces and to absorb all the flavors. Our chicken is ready. Garnish with few coriander leaves. That's it. Considering inflation everywhere throughout the world, I try to use minimum items to make this recipe yet super tasty. Definitely try this recipe. From now onwards, I try to copy the same thoughts into my future videos. Look at this, how colorful they are. Let me tear and show you how juicy they are, soft and tender. Definitely try this and thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.